Well, let's start by flipping our sweater inside out. We put this bottom one at 16 inches, and then we come up to 12 inches right here, and then this one here is 8 inches. This one here is 4 inches. We put this one at 1/2 an inch. And in the event that you want it to be a little bit more accurate with your measurements, putting 5 pins in here isn't necessarily a hard and fast rule. You can put a couple more pins in here if you need to. Now let's kind of shift and move these pins around so we can get the fit that we want. Now, instead of this original straight line that we have for our original seam here, we have a nice taper to these pins. My pins are as follows. This bottom pin is 1 inch. This next pin is 1.5 inches. This pin is 2 inches. This pin comes back out to 1.5 inches, and then this pin comes out to 1 inch. These are my measurements. These aren't necessarily going to be your measurements. Depending on how big you are, the size of your sweater, your measurements are going to completely vary. But when you're in this step, just play around with it. See how you feel about it. See how you feel about the fit. For the sleeves, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to take off 1/2 an inch on these sleeves. This is our finished side seam, and look at how much more flattering this taper is. When you put a zigzag stitch on a knit and you pull it, you can see the zigzags just doing their job. Well, we're gonna cut all this extra fabric off. Now, well, how much do we cut off here? I don't really get it. Okay, well, what we wanna do is we wanna leave 5/8 of an inch on here, which is going to be called a seam allowance. So we're gonna cut it off and then finish it with another zigzag stitch that's gonna overlap that edge and just kind of tuck in all those fibers and all that nonsense we got going on. Boom! Just like that, we have a perfectly fitting sweater for the fall. And I got this thing on Amazon for like 19 bucks. How about we go pair it with a pair of, no pun intended, tailored jeans, huh? Yeah, let's go do that. It's in the end card. SD out. See ya.